Man, morning. I started talking just now and I forgot to click go live. Nice lah. Very nice. So I spent the last 5 minutes talking and no one was here. Very nice. Okay. Cool. So we have a nice contender for this morning. Look at the Pharma. Look at the move from yesterday. Look at the Pharma move yesterday afternoon. I missed this whole thing. I didn't even know this happened until I checked it out at the end of the day. It's pretty sick. So today morning, gonna watch the Pharma solution. Put Pharma and Bintai at the back, just in case that there's a chance. Just in case there's an opportunity that comes up. Putting Supermax on the side as well, because we all know that the pharmacy stocks love to follow. They love to follow the glove stocks. Had a look at all the other market movers from yesterday. None of them seem to really bring anything. D&O might try to push its all-time high. I'm just gonna send alert near its all-time high. Not like I'm gonna trade it, but I just want to know if it pushes all the way up. This as well, ugly. G cap. So quite a few potential moves this morning. But the main watch will be on the Pharma, because that one looks the smoothest. That one ran the best yesterday. Put hanging on the side as well. Hopefully you can catch at least one trade, maybe a dip trade, if it pulls back a bit today. I mean, it's pulled back quite a lot. The Pharma has pulled back quite a bit. It bounced around 330 levels. So I expect it to follow this trend line, probably. And maybe give a small retracement around 380, 390. Small retracement at 390. But we'll see. We'll give it some breathing room in the morning. If it dips, anticipating buy around 350, 355, or around 360. So I'll have an order. Not an order, but I'll have my pre-entered order around 360. Anticipate sell-off in the morning that continues into maybe a morning breakout. So I'm anticipating a continuation of the momentum. If it can hold up the 350 level, if it breaks below 350, if it breaks below 350 near the morning, that is okay as well. If it can rebound above this previous high, 370. So 1 minute to the bell. Gapped up slightly. Wait, what? Ooh, what not? Supermax cross. Okay, that's fine. GCAP. GCAP gapped up. That's okay. See solution gapped up a bit. See how far D Pharma can run before it gives us a pullback. Yeah, it's up to 380 now. Orders a bit laggy as usual. Top glove gapped up as well. But still holding this range, this 660 to 620, 630 range. So before I even try to trade this, I want to see it break out of this box, this bouncy box here. Market looking quite green today. Hopefully we can get something good. Some light sell-off. Okay, so we'll just keep my eye on the pharma and solution. Slowing down already. So maybe if some selling will commence soon, considering that the past few days selling was so heavy. So won't be surprised if everyone who was holding around this consolidation is deciding to sell right now. So watching it, see how far it can dip. Looks like it's not gonna hold. It's not gonna hold 371, which was yesterday's close. We got a big order, but okay, it's holding a bit. But the orders below are so thin, so even if I were try to get in here, it's super risky because I might not be able to stop out on time. So I'm not gonna try to predict the rebound. It's gonna wait for the rebound to start and then go in late on D Pharma. Put Supermax on the side as well, so that if it starts rebounding, I expect the pharma to do the same. But let's see, can we get a dip down to 360s? That is the big question. Can we get a dip down to 360s? There'll be a okay 4.5% dip. Slight rebound. Slight rebound Supermax, so. But not gonna try to predict this. Just have to wait for confirmation. put my order at 372 in case it rebounds back up. Then at least I have some time to react. Because I am expecting a continuation of the momentum upwards. So I want to try and pick up a small starter around 370, 372, and then hold it into the break of 380. But doesn't seem like it's holding well. So it's very choppy right now. Low volume, low order count. So you see 5,000 shares only, when my usual entry is anywhere from 30 to 50,000 shares. So if the order is so thin, it's going to be very hard for me to stop out or even try and sell my position when I need to. GCAP giving us a little dip. Keep watching. Volume is slowly dying off already so quickly. What I am afraid of is the rebound to be very weak. So even though I am expecting the continuation of momentum, obviously if no one else is looking at it, it's not going to happen. Straightforward enough. So any news on Pharma? Gigantic sell order at 69. So it doesn't look too good. Somebody's just blocking the price here, you can see. 180,000. But I won't be surprised if someone just scoops it all up, because this industry is shady as hell, dude. So if they want to transfer money, right, they can just do it through stocks. Now, even if it dips down to 360 at this rate, it's not really like anything significant, because it's not panicking anymore, it's bleeding. Now Supermax is moving up. So I do expect the Pharma to give us a bit of rebound suit. Although the sell-off continues, still waiting for the first sign of recovery. Either that or around 360 might be an entry. Getting close. Getting close. There was just one big sell order. Excuse me. Showing no signs of rebound though. Still there's just no buying happening. I just keep seeing the sell orders increase and increase and increase. And I don't see any buying coming in. Supermax giving a nice strong curve on the morning. Probably followed by others as well. still watching this for any sign of strength. Again, I'm expecting a rebound around between 358 to 360. So I have my order ready. 365 in case it starts rebounding now. Even though it's very weak, that's why I'm gonna anticipate with smaller size, only going in about 100 or 150 lots. $360 is cleared already, so it's still selling. Just surprising. Okay, let's check out who's the top percent gainer. HLT. So this bleed might end up like this, you know. There might not be any rebound at all. But I'm still willing to give it a shot. Very big sell order at 360. And I honestly don't really see it rebounding, because the buy orders are so thin. Somebody is just trying to get rid of their shares. But it seems like he doesn't know how to. You try to sell it at one chunk around 369. But if he only sold the whole thing to like 365, then he would have probably cleared the whole size rather than hold it until now. Still moving downwards. Supermax 1 minute pullback. See whether it has enough buying to pull it back up. I mean, it's time for it to rebound a bit. So still so much selling happening. Order is at 360. I am very surprised. So next target spot is about 355 to 350. Around 350 area is where I expect to enter my first few lots. If we can drop lower to about 353, then I'll look for my first entry. A bit of buying coming in. Maybe this is the chance. Orders at 359. But it's a bit high for what I want. Okay, trying to find an entry at 359. Partial fill. So I took a small entry at 359, leaving my order there. Need to add a bit on the next pullback, little pullback. And looking for an add if I can. So I'm in at 359 for 11,000 shares. See how far we can go on this pullback. Looks pretty decent. I'm gonna add at 364, I think. I might add at 364. Adding at 364. Small size, adding small size here. Getting partially filled only. Okay. We get filled. 364. Will we have enough momentum to punch through the red to green, which is 371? That's the question. Okay, so only a partial fill on 364. So currently I'm holding probably just under 20. Okay, I'm holding 17.5 thousand shares. So the first challenge is the VWAP 368. Watching the other stocks to see if they will have any momentum to carry forward. Bit of selling, it's okay. Still holding 17.5. Bit of pullback. I'm gonna hold it a bit. So my average price is 360 right now. Big sell order came in at 3.63. You can see here. Selling a bit into 3.62 because doesn't look like the momentum is going to continue here, unfortunately. So sold half of it. Can hold the rest for a bit. Watching the sell orders. Wow, I might let it go because it looks super risky right now. But the orders are so thin. That's the danger of buying a dip like this. See if we can continue. Volume is not spectacular. I would like to add on this pullback, but because of how thin the buy side is, it's not really giving me the confidence that I need to continue this push. Could try and add at 3.61 just to push the rebound ahead, right? Just to sort of be the catalyst for the rebound, but because I'm holding 10,000 shares already, not sure if I add more, if I'll be able to get out when I want to. Okay, 361, we got reclaim 361. Just gonna hold the remaining size. Still holding 10,000 shares, average price of 360. So I bought in a total of 17.5, sold about 7.5 here, just to control my size because this stock has very small, very light buy orders. And I don't want to get caught in a sell down. Should I have added here? I think I'm okay with this add. Maybe I added a bit too late. Should have added earlier into the move. But that's okay. Wow, very slow. So let's see if we can break 3.66 within the next few minutes. If not, I'm letting this position go. How much is... Okay. Wow, this thing is selling off, so I'm not too confident anymore. Letting go a bit more size, selling another 5,000 shares in the 3.62, holding 5,000 shares still. Because you know, when gloves dip, the pharmaceuticals are not that far behind. And the general pharma market also not really holding up too well. So let's see if I can get a cheeky bonus exit. Maybe at 3.6 or 3.65, holding 5,000 shares. Very insignificant size really, so I might as well sell it at 362 when I can. See, it's starting to come back down. I mean, I sized in so small anyways. So even if I make like $100, it won't cover anything, right? I take one trade, the commissions will eat it up straight away. So let's see if anything else is moving. CSC Steel. Nope. L Steel. So all the steel are moving again. A lot of green today. A lot of green, but it's all very small greens. Even the reds are quite small. And all the moves are so choppy, man. So ugly. Not choppy. There's no full candles. Just a few lines here and there. So let's see how this is doing. Consolidating here. So either it breaks down or it continues its recovery. So I'm still watching for 366. At least the orders on the buy side are stacking up slowly. So you can see set of orders right now. Right. So if it breaks 360, if it starts to crack 360, then I'll probably let it go. Okay, looks like the buying is starting to pick up. Not sure if this is just ghost orders, as in people just putting orders there to fill the queue, or if it's actual demand. But I'm not gonna add. I'm just gonna hold the remainder of my position. It's only 5,000 shares, so 5,000 shares. Let's say it climbs back to day high. 380. That's how much? 1K. For such a huge move to happen. Only 1K. It's okay. I'll just treat it as a starter and just probably hold it. Okay, Binta is selling off. Oh no. Does that mean I have to let it go? Do I play? Now the question is, do I play to the price action? Or do I sell in anticipation because the rest of the market is selling off? Well, only Binta is selling off, so. Now, the decision is, do I play the price action? Because price action says, I mean not price action, but just the general order flow shows that there's a lot of buy orders right now. But Bintai has started to sell off, so will the pharma follow Bintai and start to sell off as well? At this rate, I might as well just hold on to it until I see like if solution starts to dip or if pharma starts to dip, then maybe I'll let it go. To be honest, at this point, I should have just sold it anyways. Cause it's just not worth holding and hoping for a big move. You know. There's no point holding and hoping, just buy back in later. Then again, it's such a small size, so doesn't really matter if it moves up 1 or 2 cents. Seems like nobody wants Christmas presents, man. Either that or everybody's cashed out already to buy Christmas presents. Nice, we got 364. Cool. The orders are starting to stack on 360, 361. So not too worried. If it breaks to 360, then at least it's clear that there's just too many sellers. I mean, for D-Pharma. Because of how many orders there are at 360, if it manages to crack it, it's not going to hold anymore. It's not going to rebound anyway. Good consolidation for this stock. First move, consolidation. Managing to hold this high level up here. I'll be interested in it when it starts to get close to its all-time. Is it all-time high? Nope. So it's high of like past 10 years. Okay, set alert and let it be. How's the pharma doing? Slowly curling up. Huh? We managed to touch 365, which is good. What I want to see is it touch 367 and break the VWAP. Will we have the chance to see that? 365, touching 365. Nice, clearing 365 as well. Oh, it's like a front back, front back, front back. Just very choppy action all the way through. I don't even know if I can cover my commission so far. Let me see. How much do I pay in commissions for this trade? Wow, almost 300 bucks in commission. So if I sell anywhere from 362 and onwards, I mean, as long as I sell above 362, I'm at least break even. Wow, huge sell order at 364. I'm just gonna let it go at 363 if I can get fill. Can't be bothered to hold it anymore. So if I fill at 363, I'll be break even. I'll be break even after all of that. After all of that, I'm break even. Wow, what a waste of time. So can I fill? Whoever it is that keeps dropping like huge sell orders, right? This guy is just desperate, man. Just sell it. Just sell it, dude. Don't queue it. Supermax looks like it's gearing up for potential continuation. So it's probably resistance around 7.1. And then the next resistance will be about 7.26. So potential for 10 cents. Still quite small. 20 cents? No, 7.26. 7.26. 7.25. 15 cents. Potential 15 cents. Wow, I can't even clear. Can't even clear my shares here. Try to sell here, but nobody's trying to buy. So another slow market, another slow day. When the market is slow, the goal is to not lose money. Because when there's no momentum, there's no potential for gain. Then to win, you have to maintain your capital. Okay, I can't seem to sell at 363, so I'm just gonna hope it sells at 362. Doesn't seem... Okay, nice. So it's got rid of all of it. Ay, what a waste. What a waste. Even if I didn't add, right? It would just have been such a... Silly trade. Okay, just at least I'm not red on the day lah, huh? At least I'm not red on the day. So two entries and a few sells on the way. 362 on the way down. 362 again. 362. So average gain. Average gain of about, let's see. So I made $250 there. After fees, probably zero. Net zero. Cool. Not even gonna bother with this stock anymore. Supermax, potential entry. 7.08. Huge sell at 7.1. Expected. Top glove as well. See how the other glove stocks are doing. Comfort, K Plus, Rubber X. Is this worth a shot? It looks good, so am I going small on 7.08 first, and then maybe add in a little bit more at 7.1 if we can break. So I'm watching 7.08. Like rejection. Wow, Bintai just keeps selling me non-stop. Look at this sell-off. Well, if no opportunities appear, then you just don't play, you know. Just don't bother. Don't try to force any trades. If nothing comes, just walk away. Don't lose. Don't lose when the odds are against you. Are you gonna try shorting when shorting is allowed next year? Will you short when you can start shorting, or will you stay long biased? Then maybe you can finally apply Steven Ducks. So slow, but okay, if you can hold this and continue pushing up, okay, cool. Unfortunately for us, well, me trading and you watching, slow market means super boring day, right? I need to think of something to do when the markets are slow, so that my streams are not just like staring at the charts for 1 hour straight. Well, there's not even anything that I can look forward to for the afternoon, because everything is just so dead. If you see any stocks that have potential to move in the afternoon, please let me know. Whoa. Gaming channel at 9 a.m. in the morning, yeah. Solid. Everybody games in the afternoon and night. Gotta be different, you know. I game in the morning, 9 a.m. and everyone else is asleep. I start grinding. Well, okay. I think I'm gonna end the stream lah, because there's just nothing happening. Gin review, right? 9 a.m. morning gin review. What a solid idea. Why do I want to enclose myself within the walls of gin? Morning booze review, you know, every day. Every day I start off with one shot and one cocktail. Yeah, man. Drunk trading. See, you gotta do it something different, right? Do you see anybody? How many percent of people who don't drink in the morning become successful? Yeah, this is just not worth my time to stare at anymore. Not if nothing is happening, I'm just gonna walk away. Set my alert 7.08 for Supermax. Watching Supermax for a potential quick trade. I'm not even confident on this, so even if I play, I'm gonna play half my size, and I'm only aiming for like a very small move of like maybe 10 cents. Maybe a 10-cent move. Don't even know if it's worth it, man. Don't even know if it's worth trying this breakout trade. It's nighttime now in America, UK. Yeah, I just VPN myself lah, right? So that I can change this clock. Oh, it's 1:52 a.m. Perfect time to drink. Okay, I'm not gonna drag this out anymore lah. Okay. Tomorrow's what? Tomorrow's Thursday. Yep, I'll be on again tomorrow. Same thing every morning. Just hoping for more momentum or more volume tomorrow lah. Cause this is just a waste of time. Cool. Thanks for watching again, man. For those watching on YouTube, or for those watching the replay and watch until this far, disclaimer time. Also hit the like button if you have not already. Subscribe if you're new here. I try to stream every morning. Hopefully webcam coming soon, so that when nothing's happening in the market, at least you can stare at me. Trading is risky, blah blah blah. Read the disclaimer. Cool. See you tomorrow.